Peace and blessings when we out here getting that morning yawning street Bible paper. I ain't feel like coming out today, man, but yeah, I be. This that. It's that morning yawning. Shake it off. You know. Start that day. Came out a little late, but we out here. And being that it was raining, I wasn't gonna come. But I said, it. Let me go, cause I wanna get back on my consistent shit, man. I wanna get like a month under my belt. You heard? I wanna get a straight month. Hold up. Under my belt, I'm off. Strictly working out. By then that should have fooled me up some, you heard? Word, but I ain't been able to get consistent run. So my is off. So now I'm just, peace, beloved, blessings. Now I'm just on a mission to push past whatever resistance I have. Just come out here regardless of what. Cause let me tell you, even when you don't feel like working out, man, you know, after you do, you're glad that you did. You know what I'm saying? So that's why it's important to it's one of them things that you always just gotta do in life. You know what I mean? Even when you don't feel like doing it, because it's always a benefit from it. You know what I'm saying? It really does your body good. Resistance. We gonna come back, baby. Come back, cause we getting Hollywood ready. You know what I'm saying? We getting ready for Hollywood. Street Bible, stepping up. We're about to get ready. Hollywood on our superhero shit, on our action hero. Bing, bang, bing, bang, bing. Ha, he, yeah, hoo, ha, he. I'm getting ready for Hollywood. Hollywood ain't ready for me. You heard? So how the fuck did nigga know all that shit already? What the got to do is put a cape on me, nigga? You hear me? You the motherfucker, one of them black superheroes. Watch. This is gonna go down. I'm gonna do shit that I wanted to do as a kid. You hear me? That's the shit I'm doing in this phase of my life. I'm doing everything. I'm going around the world twice. Once with my and once with my mans in them, you know. First is with my mans in them, because I can know where everything at.